Hello friends, welcome to Pharma with Ranjit Ferro, India's only pharmacy business consultant. In this video, we are going to see about how to set up a pharmacy in India. What are all the legal documents should be followed, what are the procedures should be followed, on how much investment required to set up a pharmacy in India. This is what we are going to see. The most important factor in the pharmacy business is the selection of your premises. This should be on a prime location. You should select your location based on the population, based on the access, parking facilities, and also nearby hospitals, clinics. Based on this, you should select your pharmacy locations. If you have any clarifications or doubt how to select the perfect location for your pharmacy business, you can contact us for further assistance.
Now let's see what are the basic requirements to start a pharmacy. Infrastructure, license, manpower, software, records, inventory, signboard, distributors and marketing.
Selection of pharmacy, selection of place is very important related to pharmacy. First thing and foremost thing is infrastructure. In infrastructure, minimum space required is 120 square feet. However, current trend requires more than this space based upon the what pharmacy you select. Whether you select a franchise pharmacy, whether you want to start your own pharmacy, whether you want to start a pharmacy with a clinical setup. Actually, 120 square feet is enough to get a license, but according to the business trend and current setting, you should have more space to get a better business from the pharmacy. If you are taking any franchisee of a particular pharmacy company, they will provide the infrastructure and the stock inventory support. You not to worry about. If you want to start your own independent pharmacy, then you have to select the infrastructure based on your budget and interest. So you can decide your racks as per the budget and size of your pharmacy.
And the next thing is licensing.
License varies from state to state. However, you need to follow certain set of guidelines. You should submit the license document to the following drug authority of the respective district of the respective state. Some of the states following the online licensing system. Some states still follow the offline licensing system. So it varies from state to state. If you still have any queries related to licensing, please contact us to the following WhatsApp number. The licensing cost for the retail pharmacy would be 3,000 plus 3,000, 6,000 plus some additional amounts. This is the actual amount you are going to pay to the pharmacy drug control authority. If you want to wholesale plus retail license, you have to pay additional cost for the wholesale license. Second most important requirement in the infrastructure is the fridge. The refrigerator with 180 liter capacity is the minimum requirement. You can have a bigger refrigerator of your own convenience. You need to provide AC to safeguard the shelf life of the pharma products. Next thing is the CCTV. CCTV is for your convenience and it is always necessary. It's always important to have your premises installed with the CCTV to avoid any misconfusions as a safety and security.
And the next important thing is computer. You should have at least 8 GB RAM capacity. And the next important thing is inverter. Most of the pharmacy owners avoid installing inverter at the pharmacy. This is very important because we deal with lot of drugs and cold chain maintenance. So inverter is very important in pharmacy.
And next thing is the inventory. The minimum investment to the inventory varies from pharmacy to pharmacy. I would recommend you to invest at least 3 lakhs on your stocks. I would recommend you to keep an inventory of at least 3 lakhs so that you should have an adequate necessary stocks inside your premises. Once you start your business, you will get credit from the distributors for purchasing the products from them. So initially you have to spend some amount for the stocks. So stocks varies from pharmacy to pharmacy and size of the pharmacy. If you are someone who want to open a pharmacy attached with lab and clinic, apart from the pharmacy procedure, you should also follow some instructions related for lab, biomedical, pollution control and clinic registration act. If you have any such doubts related to that, you can message us to the following WhatsApp number. We can help you in person. And next thing is that software. You should have a good cloud-based software to run a pharmacy in a most efficient way. If you are following manual system, then it will be very difficult for you to follow certain instructions given by the drug control authority. Often drug control authority asks you to maintain sales record, purchase record, schedule registers and also controllable narcotic and psychotropic substances registers. If you want to follow such registers, then it is easy for you to maintain a good cloud-based software so that you will get all this report in the software. If you have any doubts in selecting the software for your pharmacy, we will help you to select which software suits very well for your pharmacy. You can contact us to the below WhatsApp number. There are so many softwares available in the market. There are some of the softwares are offline, some of the software is cloud-based. I would recommend you to go for cloud-based software because this is the latest trend. Next thing is the manpower. If you are a pharmacist by yourself, you don't have to worry about the manpower. If you are a non-pharmacist, but if you are owner of a pharmacy, you should appoint a qualified pharmacist from a D Pharm to Pharm D graduate, up to your choice. You should appoint them. If you have any clarifications related to selection of pharmacists, you can approach us. Even if you want pharmacist for your shop, even you can approach us. We will try to help you out. Maintaining pharmacy is not an easy task. If you want to run a pharmacy, you should maintain certain records like sales bills, purchase bills, schedule registers, and also like narcotic and psychotropic registers, prescription copies, and so on. Suppose you have all this set up and you already started the pharmacy business, but you are struggling to run your pharmacy in a most profitable way, you can contact us for the pharmacy business management services. Suppose if you already have pharmacy set up, but you don't know how to manage or maintain the pharmacy, you need a complete training related to pharmacy. We also train the pharmacist how to run a new pharmacy from a starting stage to the pro stage. We also help many pharmacy owners who are struggling to manage a pharmacy. We help them to run the pharmacy from a beginning stage to the pro stage. So if you have any such clarifications or doubts related to documentation, running, what is the sales I should do, what is the purchase I should manage, how much stock I should maintain, how much is the expiry volume is negligible one, how much expiry I should not have, or if you want like how many employees I should keep to run the pharmacy, how much margin I should make from the pharmacy business, what are all the other source of income through the pharmacy. If you have any such doubts related to the pharmacy business, you can contact us for more details. We can help you to get a better benefit out of pharmacy.
The final part of the business is marketing. You should always allocate some fund for the regular and constant marketing to improve your pharmacy sales and position.
So friends, thanks for watching this video. If you want to receive more such updates related to pharmacy field, please do not forget to subscribe and share to your friends. Thanks for watching Pharma Techie. Bye bye.